To subscribe is free.
To subscribe yet.
Na 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 na, yeah, oh yeah. Ooh. You say love, and then you push it. You say you don't want I make it, but you're just too late. You say love, but you push it. You say you don't want I make it, that's a big mistake. But I know you come around under false pretense, trying to take my energy, trying to mash up my confidence. But I look to the hills from where it's coming my strength. So when you come with your evil plan, Almighty is my defense. Truly shall be the cry, fully protected by the Most High. I don't care who I feel resent. Come on the pulpit, you need to repent. The things you do don't match the things you say. Cause I you say love, but still you push hate. You say I won't make it, but you're just too late. Remember say you say love, but still you pushing hate.
Hello, mommy.
You said I wouldn't make it,
Man.
that's a big mistake.
Me I got work today. What you mean what kind of work me do? Mommy, I forgot to me a mechanic. Mommy, I want me love, I want me feel comfortable doing. What you talk about? If me did want turn doctor, me go to school for that, but me no want turn that and mechanic me want turn. That's why me go to school for mechanic. Yeah, no do my bike park up. But because you know want me ride the bike, right now me sit down and look on the bike. Mommy, you know say me your daughter, you know say if you happy for me. Because sometimes I hit help pay your bills too, you know, mommy. What you mean no man don't go want me so? Listen to me. Man and no man gonna love me because then sister me hard working. Mommy, me not in an argument with her today. Make peace reign, because I kinda have a headache. Mommy, me I go work. I'm not top do my mechanic work. I hit me love. I eat. Hey, mommy, me not care what you want to say. Alright. Yeah, heal up everybody for me. Me talk to you later. Watch out. Alright, mommy, you have to go now. Somebody will call me. Yeah, when I man them, me have to go fix them car. Alright, later, mommy, later, man, sure. Hello? Then me a come now, man. Alright, me G. Me da pa movie,
But you know, say you me there wait for and do my friend.
What go on?
There man, you look good today though.
Where's the car now?
You know, say in a real life though, it transmission now go on good and when I time me look like you have to go in an engine too, you know.
Volvi. I'm not a joking thing with that today, no.
No, say no joking thing man. Me just there. In a real life I tell me until I say you look good, but my car give me a little problem too, you know.
Left you look good part till later, alright.
Yeah.
Come fly bonnet now, me see what going on.
You know, say right now what the bomba bonnet, it lock on the bonnet bust off, so it's hard to pull, and right now I don't have that patient if you more talk to do, because you look good. You turn up round the back door, mama for chew.
Bobby, what you said do you care? Care we are talking about? I work working and we are
them, you know, tell her what go on already, man. Tell her what go
So
on.
me tell her to
Transmission.
fly
I'm not telling you right now, a hell for me fly. I remember I am mechanic, you should have known to fly, but still, you know, only car Bonic want to fly.
What again I want to fly?
No.
You care start?
I know, say me never try for a man indoor right now, not even key me can't find.
Oh. You know, say me have a next man care up so to deal with.
God, I say man, they have you round and round, man.
Yeah, because right now we are waste my time. Right?
I'm feel waste of time and you look good, my friend. Can't waste of time, you can't give me a couple more minutes and make me tell also more lines.
So, really? And lines you call me as to tell me?
No, say car want to look work pan to man. But are you
I sell
want
if
work
you sell
pan?
this car.
No, sir, I'm not selling man. I'm my grandfather.
Who
Give
you
me
want
it,
work pan?
No, you.
Me look like you?
You don't have to care for work pan, my friend. You go on like.
You call me out of my yard. Fi come give me chat.
No, say nothing to do me car do about in real life though. You look good and something, me just call it down and just tell you say, oh, I'm here feeling for you.
Let me tell you something. You see, today be the last and final day you call back my phone. Because me see you joke out.
Yeah, I'm a joke out.
You come like your eyeglass, bro.
I'm not eyeglass, but you turn good and me say.
Yo, me not time for this later.
So you go on, man. Watch out, man. Me ring a bird. I know where you're located. Know where yourself.
Don't call me phone.
Jaja, God.
See that boy, the Bulby. I say my eyeglass. Every time he call me phone, you know, me as eat that all is around going, you know. I know say nah call me for now. And look how his sun hot. No man. You figure out hell for that, you know. Say me, I go and go sleep. No, but wait, me not have a man for go link. Oh God. So what can I use, you know?
Me a sweep, I walk in a way me a sweep.
No matter that. It's like, you know, someone really want to talk to you inside the house there. But you get up so fast, because I go brush my teeth and same thing. You understand? But you are going now. Because I go touch the road now. I really want you to stop certain things. And certain things, I mean certain things more easier for smoking and the bar thing. Cause you understand, say, you must tell me, say, go check your girl and wanna go out and have a drink.
Hold on. Where's some fees for a cigarette?
Yeah, he's have a cigarette.
You want me to left?
What means me left?
Me say if you want me to left. Right now, I prefer the cigarette more you. Yes, I prefer the cigarette more you.
I realize you love chat. And you love chat, you always put chat in a chat because you just want chat and that's all, you just chat.
I love chat.
Because that don't make no sense. How if you prefer something what, like, harmful, listen to me.
I prefer the cigarette over you. And I can tell you 100 times.
I begs
and I can chase you outside out.
I begs with me. Listen
remember
to me,
say you're not reliable, you know. Are this cigarette reliable? You're not reliable on all, so listen to me. Me prefer it more you. Our problem. But me chat too much. Chat can never be too much.
Alright, hear me say now. See, I know say you and your girl Amanda soon touch the road because you don't tell me that already. I'm not stop it from do it even though I don't want you and she par a certain way because I don't trust she. You understand me? I say, because when the two link up together, it's a different kind of vibe and that the vibe that's still, you know, I not say you not look man a road, you know. Don't get me wrong. But you can't get yourself in trouble because you not take chat. You not take chat from nobody and if nobody says certain things, you analyze it one different kind of way. Because Amanda is a company, I say my idiot or my mother, but him just different, yo. So me I say, this will be the last outing when I go without me. Me not say me want forward, you know, so don't think that, you know, because that you think next. But me I say, you know, like, oh yeah, she a roll. Bar life, I don't want good. How would I say I go? Stop sweep my foot, stop sweep my foot, stop sweep my foot, stop sweep my foot. What you want that man, you know?
When Jesus say yes.
Alright, you are going now. Me nah bother give me card. Me nah bother give me card.
No, baby.
Me nah bother give me card.
Yes, I receive a food.
So if...
I sweep love that in a combi.
Sweep is love. No, man, touch me. If my
sweep
idiot, man.
Love. I sweep love.
We sweep love. No, but we are disrespect me like that for sweep me out.
No, me not disrespect you. So me go. Come on, sweep you back in so me can come in there and make way before you go back on there.
So, which part no son I go? Talk to me from now. Because no son I go out, have a drink, have a girls moment. But
yeah.
Which part you plan to go?
We are go over where name there. Remember we always hang out. Remember run the name. Over Matthews.
Matthews?
Yeah.
Not bother with that. Not upon that. My card not really upon that right now. Listen to me I say. If you go over Matthews, you have to understand say. So much money plan to spend on Matthews? You go spend or you and she go spend?
Me and Naro spend. We have spent at least 115,000. So she spend 5 and me spend 10. Because me go carry on back on something. And like so me I spend it off on the girl.
I trust a girl and I don't know.
Attention.
But she knows something like her, don't you? You think she know? Because she must pick up her rigs. Because anytime she has hello, I never say hello.
Up to the blind,
Alright.
say no like them.
Yeah, me I say, just make sure you come back at a good time. I don't want no problem, please. That's all me ask you. See?
No problem now, did it be? Just relax now.
Alright.
Yeah.
Me I go to bathroom and piss and then touch the road. Remember
Yeah,
say,
now finish.
remember say what me say now. If a 15 you say you spend, make sure you give back a 5. If I you alone, I use a card. You understand me I said to you?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, love ya. Watching too. I will done a card.
Yo, bandit! Bandit!
Yo, boy. Yo, me a foul. Yeah, go on, man.
No long minutes, my friend.
Yeah,
Like
man.
you turn horse rat.
That, man, brother.
Like you turn horse rat. From you start link with the one named Pinky.
Can't
Can't see my friend again.
That's how we going with it.
My youth, I rum in my cup, you know, you say I go on.
Boy, you know, so me have to ease up a little bit, bro. Man, tell you,
Ja.
there are some things I deal with right now, and to be honest with you, the money in me have to go, you know what I mean? Put it to good use, to a different use. Me not say, you know, rum is at a good use, so don't get me wrong, you know, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But there are some things I start out, and that type thing.
Why me not lie, my friend. I now want to find one myself and second down. I see one thick one they do with a mechanic.
Eh?
You mean?
So what, woman and mechanic?
Me want turn good.
Eh?
Mama cock up from around the back from all angle.
Yeah, said to me.
Today me have to prank call her and make she forward out. Yo, me have to say it, my friend. Me can't lie about it. Me have to do it.
Take your time, man. You go work. Continue to do it and you
Why?
work out, brother. I tell you.
Boy, that you don't even know, man. Right now, me no mind. Me get just 1 minute with her
One.
right and proper way. Me can talk to her and tell her things, but she not take no
No
bomb.
talk.
No talk, man, and take from me. I want.
But you want me ask still?
Mm-hmm.
I want to for the state. You know, my woman Pinky have one friend who says she ain't go deal with that, you know. I wonder if I see him girl you talk about.
Probably I see him
One
girl.
dark
I don't
skin
know.
girl though.
Boy, I mean, remember I call her Sunday a born and my color disappear too. I don't even know. Swear, but all me know is say she turn good. She nice,
That's what
there's
she
like.
say, man. What she say, man. But I say, brother, you know, honestly, I don't want to do road and circle certain things. But right now, I even for my man know me, I have to tell her, I say, yo, because we have planned to relocate and, you know, buy a place. Because we tell her rent house. You understand me? I tell her, I say, the only way we can do that is if we calm down certain things. But she, now listen, bro. She I take everything like me, I try to hold on in life and all them something. I say, Pinky, I feel just easy, but you know, I go already.
No,
But
they want them, man.
you say my party Saturday?
You know, say, if you tell her the truth though, as we are say right now, boy, I rum down, me drink out the money too. But me not say nothing, me want to work to go up and see him and me I go make it back. So probably me still keep it. You know, if we don't keep it, we just buy a couple buckle of rum and cook some food and easy same way.
We forward our one.
Alright, me
But
general.
brother,
Watch
me
out,
so suffer deal. You know
Man,
what I
you
mean?
if you make me see you more often though.
Acho.
Watch out now.
Let's
Ring
go
my
now.
bird, ring my bird.
Alright,
make your
we'll
bird
do.
talk, make your bird talk.
Alright, my brother. Big up.
Amanda! Me a come. Are you really the fun girl? You can't clean your yard and be a dog shit there out there.
I don't own a dog, you know. Anyways, you know, so, girl, me take out around 4 suit of clothes and I couldn't find them to put on. Me have to change again. This look alright.
Yeah, you look perfect.
Anyways, what you say? Oh, you get the card.
Girl, ease yourself. What you talk about? Man, I must get the card. We're gonna party. Yeah, get the man card.
Alright. You ready?
Oh, me look.
Why you decide to wear this address?
Eh? Girl, you know, sister, me I become Christian now.
You ever see a Christian in a bar? Or a go party?
You don't worry about that. Me dirty money. You know, see me with the card. Nobody can. Girl, let me tell you this, you know. You realize whenever I see some man holding foot dirty, I look like they know nothing. And them the man they have the money. What you talk about? And you see by later then clean off. You ready? Are you in a ready car right now? Yeah, waste my time. Look how. What? Look for the time.
Alright, come. Watch out. You rush me, you still turn up.
Ciao. Oh, I'm here with talk, you know. Oh, I'm here with card. Oh.
And I'm here with car.
Start up with card.
Hey, you know you rush me, yeah?
No, girl. Mr. Girl. And then, no, say I could have drink.
But that shit down one more buckle. Hold on.
Tap.
Eh?
Where's the Shalong? Me sober now.
Oh, you sober?
Me high, but me sober now. Shalong, wish one more back up. How for money? Who for money? Hey, let me tell this my friend. Hey, me not gonna like get him. We'll go with her anytime. Yeah. We share the place. You know, say I get him look for we. Eh? You know, so me go so. You know, me look short of shots. I me just.
Me not even know say I have on shots.
You never know.
No.
Me say me have to come out of the house look like say. Me decent.
Oh, me know that way. Me know that.
Okay. Hey.
No, sir.
I know you coming over and dash in my room.
Come for me there for your room. Anyways.
So I go now, because you're drunk, you know. You're drunk. You can't drive, you can't go home.
Who have it happy? As me enter this car, I'm sober. You never see all the girl pan the pool. How what she says she do? Right now, me could have mashed up that. What she said she do?
Me could have mashed up you and she, but guess what happened now? Guess what, my friend? You see, through me well be known, me no want to catch me and send go give me man. So me have to then I want low key corner so.
And I go so.
See me see what I know. You never see when the rich man come over and watch me now. And I saw me dance, I saw me pick him, girl. You know more me, cause you know make that money. Tip or not tip, me a pick him. Me a go down in him pocket. So he lift me up, I saw. See nobody hear me, cause people
Nobody not here.
inform around here, you know. So I saw me deport the money. So I'm going here now. Oh, drive, let me see. Oh, watch out! You're really high. Come back for your phone. Oh!
God.
Tom junk, but Tom no fool here. Oh. Drive the car. I want to see your left and right, that's all. Me then here.
Not clean. Jesus. Hold on there, girl. Hold on there.
Start up the car, me girl. When they take money, they take no for free. They get a nice car. Stop.
Hold on, girl. See me not even know if you operate here again. Hey! Wait. Hold on.
You see me to see a high. Girl. Oh, you can't start the car. Awa.
Girl, then I see you car not start.
I lie to tell. I might stop up on your mouth. Let me buy car not start. But what do you
Me try 2 times and the car not start. I don't know what I want.
So you tell me say battery dead.
I don't know. You don't know no medic. Where are they?
Mechanic.
Right.
Me hear me know, girl. You have to go call.
So call. I can't turn up here. So. Rain all look like take a fall. Come on. You they all look for me like. Come, me can't feel my foot them. That take too long now.
So I feel like so. Next week I start up. I'm not start up this weekend. Oh, watch out. Yeah, Pinky, what go on?
Away there. Oh, perfect. Just want to say that on the work. Here we go on. Go check me on Matthews now.
Where?
Me have our friend, our car pop down pan her. It pop down just like she. Hey. Yeah. Come, no, you know. Cause rain a go fall. Yeah.
Okay. Alright, Miss Holcomb.
Yeah.
You go take me look at time now because there's a fire in a mama. Alright, me dey on my way.
Alright.
You know, say Matthew's far though. I have to go way up there, so. Well, then we give back my fear still, boy. I wonder if I ride the bike. No. My mother give me too much bad energy panic. Can't ride the bike. Me take taxi. Rough.
Awa.
Well, part time me look pop down.
I lie.
I do run pop me down.
I lie. Just like how the vehicle pop down, I saw you pop down.
I can't come and
Cause look where they go along. Like a pop down chicken for chew. Where they go along so far? Show somebody.
No.
Why? I'm afraid no. But the girl take too long in a bed. I'm not like this style, you know. Oh, Sierra, come here. Wagon girl! Hey! Sorry, them for me bounce, yo.
Oh, you say I'm going now?
What go on?
Okay, yeah.
Everything good?
Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Oh, God, mama.
Remember, say you cannot start now, you can't. You know, like, too, like,
Lady. What happened to your car?
So now you're mechanic now, if you know.
Oh, me if you know what happened to your car,
You
mama.
can't start
me a
open up the
profit.
sun, look what go on. Open up the
Mama
sun.
fly bonnet. You know if you fly bonnet? Now you put magic in a car.
Open up the sun.
So you say you're going to know Pinky, yeah, David.
There, my girl. Long time I not see you.
Mama start the car, me hear what go on there. Unna say battery dead.
So we don't know.
Mama, you can't buy one new battery. You drive hype car now. You supposed to have money and buy a battery, mama. Why? Sometimes they sit me hard to come out and see. Ah. Oh, yes, so.
I know you electrocute me. So, guess what? Make her keep far from the car.
Mama, relax yourself, man. What happened to you? Try it, that's all.
Boy, everybody knows you're a mechanic, but you can't do your head.
Mama,
You
me not
can't do
time
your
for
head.
that. I work time. Mama, start it. Ah.
That is it.
Right, that's all.
Hey, I'm a friend this for a long time. Let me tell you, believe in my friend. Believe, come in a which car first. I'm not that girl, I'm not that because I fear money.
Well, listen to me. Don't, mind not take time with it, very delicate, you know, expensive, I mean, no. You know, if you have money,
I 10,000 for them, yeah.
I'm like, you tell mama you wish 60,000 for one of them there, yeah? That me I tell her. So, Pinky, what go on?
Eh?
What go on?
What go on with what? Me there?
Mama say you have to pay me now, work now.
Mama, check me.
Check
Check
you.
me around y'all, mama. I'm to you.
Alright, now see you ready. Big up yourself.
Big up yourself, me girl.
Alright.
No, you're my friend for a longer time, though.
Yeah, man. Mama.
Yeah,
Next time, that one of them, you hear?
They get no money, no big them up.
Ah.
They get only have car, but they not no money. And me buy gas put in a this. Go girl, about give money. Come on me yard and me store the dirty nastiness. Oh.
Hey, you know, drinking a youth.
Are you
When
not
you
for
drink,
drink?
you can't chat, you know.
Okay.
Shit.
You
You
never,
forgot how my power there.
you never know.
Anyways,
Me
already.
say if I never know.
Hey, no.
Dirty girl.
But I'm dirty,
A
man.
man will buy you this and run off left you.
At least.
A man will buy you this and run off left you because it come like say underneath and not good.
Hold on.
You can't chat to me with this a foot away up here, so am I red? But you rich. Hey, let me tell you something, girl.
Alright,
Let me tell you something. I see how me there. Now tell me that again, man. May I come from far? Now tell me, but me not pick up no foot, yes, son. Now do that. Now do that again.
Hey,
Ready?
run this now, all with you,
Re-
know.
Me help her, Ronnie. Come. Ronnie.
Let it go. You can't drive.
Come like I eat that. We
Hey,
man.
me running now, all with you. I'll kill
A
you.
GLE, me man drive. GLE. If me need want roll out the GLE, me roll out the GLE with this.
Okay.
Little stupid ass car. Where
You
you
want
need to
more
buy it. You need to buy it.
You want more rum? Alright, take it. You chat too much, man.
Yeah, man. It was alright, but guess what? Going on one problem I have. The car not drive the car and left it on. How long we did they make the battery dead for we? What is that saying? But girl, me not gonna lie. 25,000 we spending now. Yeah. Mama, at 25,000. One thing.
I don't know, I enjoy myself, but I don't know if we can go back home with this again. Like, God, no, she, it come like she. Something do her head. She come like she untold mile more on me. Eh? Miss Girlie, me soon call you back here. Give me a second. Here. Baby. Alright.
Good man. How much you say you spend on it?
15,000. Like 15, me tell her say 15.
No. You say I spend 10 and she have put 5 more upon it. And so she collect you get the 5,000 for that? You get the $5,000 from her? Yes or no?
Listen, B. Our car broke down. The battery dead.
I know for me problem that.
And me I say like how she dey spend differently from the 15 we spend. Around 20,000 the girl is spending now. And me spend 15.
Who spend 20,000?
So me I say she. So me I say like how she spending. And then me call her out. Me deal with the battery for her.
You deal with it or for me pocket I burn for deal with it. What you talk about you deal with it? Me give you one strict. Give me card.
B,
Give me my card. Pinky. Hold on. What we wearing come again? Hold on.
B.
Hey, how you doing? Everything alright? You had fun?
Yes.
Yes, I'm glad you had fun. I'm here to say I spent 25,000. Cause it come up on my phone. I mean, I wonder if I sound joke. But give me my card, please. That's all
B car last.
Jesus Christ.
B, me.
What mean say card last? So. Where you go? No matter how you go.
Yeah, Matthews me go, but me sure know say me have a card when me come out of Matthews and me look and know me can't find the
You
card.
better look. Go in a place and go take off and strip and go look. Go and go look. Because you can't last me card. Suppose. Nobody with the crocodile chase because you know ball, you know. And when we are get, hey, listen to me.
Just from far away from home. You can't cheat me like that.
Just straight far away from your home. Your home is in your head. Anyway you go, I they still live.
I'm married.
You can't trip me. Watch out. Dry like chip. Watch him. I make a monkey face. Make sure you find my card. I'm going to call the bank. I can't believe you. You let me know again. 25,000. Where you go spend 25,000? Be you know we are planning for the full thing. So all 25,000 no go and come out of your budget for nothing at all. And you done. This is 15,000 shouldn't even come out of your budget. And you make it seem like say, stop the fake balling. You know if you're fake balling, you cannot all no one taste can drop. Or what you buy? What you buy at the bar? Because it's a buckle you buy. Jesus Christ.
Me buy one buckle of Hennessy and me buy one buckle of Fever and then me get the chasers. And you know, so we don't go in no big place. And we not go buy no boom, so me buy ocean spray. We Tracy B.
You plan to go nowhere for the rest of the year, not sure? Under my regime, under my pocket. You can't do me so big. So, that means
You can't understand me.
So that means the plan we are plan, cancel it. And we just go and floss and live and enjoy life. Eh?
Come here.
No,
listen.
No, right now.
Me know some media do last night. Me never put a keep on your neck.
When you put the keep on which neck?
Hold on.
You keep. Are you something like a vampire? You jump and you run upon you. Eh? Something wrong with you?
Something wrong with you. Let me tell you what's wrong with you now. Is it true you know somebody love you? You feel like I can't take my love for granted.
No, but
no, listen.
Now?
You feel like I can't take my love for granted. True you know somebody love you with me. Heart string, everything. Nose string, eye string, ear string, everything. I feel like you can't take my love for granted. So you give me about now.
No, you give me bun without the cheese, you know.
I can't even afford to go buy a bun, much less to give a bun. Eh?
Talk
That's what
to
you
me.
talk about.
Who put Ike in neck on? Me never put no Ike in neck, you know.
When
And
you
me will wet you up with this.
When you suck my neck like say you are some parasite, you know, remember not true? And
Parasite, me not parasite. Me a drunk or a mongrel.
Listen to me, I said, don't bother with the food today. I mean, I tell
B,
you, say,
listen.
you mash up my plan.
Mash up my
25,000 every week, so I put nice thing. Come,
Yeah.
we want to do it for everything. You don't want to drive a car?
Yeah.
You want I was a bigger friend?
Yeah, because they want to take 25,000 and go give a loose scalp on the road. But listen to me, that's how I save them 2 fingers, like I joke out of here. Any girl where you plan to give them the money there, I will joke out the girl there. You not play with me, B.
Mama, still.
You not play with me.
Come going,
oh,
come
boss
going.
sleep.
Come going. No, give me this. No more. Me say no more rum. No more rum for you. Go on in. Something wrong with you.
Pinky.
Hello?
Wagwan.
How
There, no.
Thing good?
Yeah.
You know, say, I don't know about me, my brother which day there, you know, tell me say they were female mechanic on the place, and mash up the place, and I go on with things. I mean, I said to him, say, boy, you know, you know, so I know somebody, you know, where I'm Pinky friend, boy, I'm confused now, but what go on? I Pinky one, not sure.
Yeah, Pinky, mama, what should I?
But you are going good, I'm proud of you. Here?
Yeah, man, thanks. Big up yourself.
Share is the bathroom still, so I mean, I can get her to me. Pinky!
Yeah.
Your friend come to you, yeah?
Okay, where I
Come. So, how you really manage it though? You have a special tool, man, sitting?
Yeah, me have everything when I feel have, man.
Lord.
I got school fees, you know, so I know every little details
Man.
and stuff.
Good vibes, man.
Yeah.
Proud of you, man. But you
Thanks.
know, big, I tell you one thing. We have a virgin. You know
Who that?
man. My virgin named Bolby.
Jesus
He's in car enough
Christ.
time and sitting.
Nothing about me. Bulby a troublemaker. I will not know the
Yeah,
Bulby care. Bulby a call me.
Rough, yeah, man. But you say, you know, you can't really do your thing. You good?
B, just give me some time to talk to my friend, cause
Yeah, man. Big up yourself
Yeah,
again.
man. Big up. Yeah, man. See.
men have to talk about some things. I don't know.
Let's make sure things are not cost me.
Later, go on.
Yeah, later.
Yeah. Wow.
Pinky.
Eh?
When me did come fix the car today, $1,000 for my fare. And in all a 3-5 for do everything. So you give me money. I come for your money because me have some things for deal with.
Why? Then Mama, talk true now. After you come put a little electronic sitting upon the car, as I go so one touch, it start. You really account look money for me?
Let me say something to you. You look at something when we put panic and it start, you know, save on life. Answer a question.
I want
me
me
could have
want.
left when you do that, so you know.
I want
But me look how far, you know, far me travel from come all the way up there, so mama know you go to, mama, let me tell you something.
Girl, me not have no money, so
Relax.
what you gonna do?
Me and your friend.
Eh.
Don't make no money coming between the relationship what we have. Just give me money when we go out.
Me say me not have no money, so what you gonna do? Me not
What
have
you mean
no
you
money.
don't have no money? Time when you go drink with your look loose friend. You don't know, say me put a mechanic money one side.
Hold on there.
Ramp with me.
Hold on there. You see
Ramp
like
with
how
me.
you lift up the iron sitting
Ramp
there.
with me.
My, what you doing, girl?
Mama,
My, what you doing, you know?
just go
Cause
in
you
the
check me at
house.
the wrong time, you know? Me head sick today, you know?
Mama no come to court for
What
your
you say
man
want me do?
problem. Me
What you
tell
say
a
want
man
me
say
do?
you did a man out there, you know.
So,
Ramp with me, you know.
girl, you remember man love me, no when nobody say me not believe. So I'm
Yeah.
do something now.
Alright.
Listen.
Where you say I go on?
Point up your iron thing, but don't make it touch a strand of me here. I don't talk.
Mama, just give me money when I go and bum this.
Alright, hold on a minute, I'm going feet. Turn out there and wait.
Hey, Yeah, the look maga take a drum take foot girl I feel like me a ramp with me. Mama, let me tell her
This
something.
a maga gyal.
Let me tell her something.
This a maga
from
gyal.
I grew up.
You see this a
realize
maga
how me dress?
gyal.
You realize how me dress?
You see this a maga
Me a
gyal.
tomboy.
I'm a serious girl. So what do you want? You look mechanic work than I don't feel with me.
Mama, just go in there so for my money and come
I know
back.
that. I know that. Put me there. Put me in there if any America. Put me in there.
Thinking.
Cause you have problem. Put me in there.
Let me tell her this. You see today, market 10 in the sky. You go sorry for this way you do.
Sorry, wait.
Mama, you know how hard me work. For become a mechanic and me save your life on the road, Mama. And
I know my life I save is not my
even
car.
want drinks. Oh, so alright, where girl?
Girl.
Where girl there when me fixing car?
What BMW stand for? Better me walk. Look for me.
Mama, me
Me
not
not
talk
drive.
about
I walk.
That's all you do. Hype you do no more.
I walk me.
have money back at it.
I walk.
Mama, right now you not no money. I'm money I depend on.
So what is
And you're
my
not an
man?
independent
Not
woman.
your
You're
man.
a loose girl
Is
because every
my
day you
man.
gonna party.
Girl, are you lose?
Mama, take your
Girl,
Mama.
are you lose?
Mama.
Me say, girl, are you lose?
I
never feel I'm afraid of you. Girl, I'm not afraid of no
Who
girl.
you ramp with,
You don't know who you ramp with.
Mama.
Me they tell about me.
Me not
Me
afraid
say,
of you, you know.
you know who you ramp with because I'm not afraid of you.
Mama, mash
Me
your back
bust your face.
Mama, mash your
Girl, me not have to mash it.
Alright,
Use it
mash it
and
on
mash
me
a tough face.
Use
Me
a
not have to mash your ground. Know what you do. Cause no girl can make
Remember
me
say me a
shame.
come back.
Know what you do.
Remember
Cause
say me a come
no
back.
girl can make me
Give me the
shame.
money. That
No
me a
girl
tell
can make me
you.
shame.
That me a
Where?
tell you.
Lift up fire. Two drunk two. How you?
Yo, brother. What? I know some not good because today I realize something. You see people them who you trust and respect as your friend, and them take you for granted. You see people them, you see your enemy, and them will pay your, you know. Oh, yeah, them understand you more. But friend of failure, bro, like you can't link me. Because I can't talk to you over phone about this, but I have to see you face to face. Alright, bro. My dear me yard, me I will pay you. No problem, me do that. Yeah. Bro,
Yo.
are you?
Yeah, come in.
Yeah, man.
So you say something now?
Bro, you know say one of my friend them call me today. Cause me come in now, me come off the road and me sit down on the chair at the front. Cause you know say this so me normally sit
Feel
down.
like a chill.
I sit down and she called me and I said, then we up at one place. You know far place there? So I say, alright, me I come. When I reach there now, I do work for them also. Then she said, link me on my yard, man. I say, alright then, me do that. When I come here, when I go to yard now, you know, And me I talk to you, and me ask her for my money. The girl always say she feel like say a flavor me give her. Me say no, me
And
figure.
you fix the vehicle.
Yeah, me fix the vehicle.
And she not give you your money.
She not give me money.
Alright. You know what I'm saying, you know? You not trouble people, you know. And any problem you face in a life is a problem with me face, you know.
Oh.
And you go do your work, your hard work, and she don't want to pay you your money. How kind of friend that?
Me no know. And then when what happened to bro, the girl a draw back for me, you know. Me did have this in my hand, you know, but me I talk to her. But true me go say like me say something to her and it go up in her face. Mama take up buckle I want lick me with it, you know, bro.
No like you when you get trouble now. You see a rain, me left come up here now, you know. How much you figure?
3-5.
Yeah, I get 7 grand before the day done. I want to know which one of your friends and I want to go up there and I go make sure you get your money.
You remember Pinky?
A Pinky?
Yeah, Pinky.
You go get your money.
She.
I can't believe this.
Yeah, bro.
Look how you work hard.
Me say, you know how far me go? $1,000 for my fear for go which part she and her friend did there. And when me go at them batch she did. And me start, the girl go say, hey look what when me put on the car and make it turn on. If I that me want 3-5 for. You want somebody ungrateful more than that?
But you don't make nothing there, so. A 7 grand you have to go get. I like how me involved, you know. Sister, you're not trouble people, you know. You do your hard work. And even though mommy I try to convince you out of it, you stick to what you want to do and you master your craft. You don't get caught in nothing where you don't want to do. And you do your work and them come like a discourage them, I try to discourage you.
Then that's when me feel that way, bro, like, me not do nothing.
Just leave it to me, man. I go link her. I link her and I guarantee you say I come back with your money.
Alright,
just rest easy. It's alright, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright. That's it.
Yeah.
What that?
Yo.
Oh, chairman, bum.
Yo, me there, man. Me there in a good mood, man. What Pinky there?
Bro, long time about yo, how we there going?
Don't disrespect, man, but me doing in a good mood. Cause look like say your woman disrespect my sister certain way, you know.
What do you mean disrespect your sister? What you talking about?
My sister go do some work for her and she don't want to pay her and I tell her I say a favor. And my sister work very hard. And that her trade, me don't want she discourage her.
What do you mean? Yo,
I tell you, I want to see Pinky.
No. Pinky supposed to do your own side sleep. But hold on, you seriously speaking?
Yeah, I forgot wake her up. Bandit. Me and you good enough, me and you go way back enough.
Yeah, come here, say brother, yo, boy, I don't understand what really are going. So, what she say really going? Because I don't understand. Because you know, for me woman when go on a little visit, go on a bar and thing. And me don't know if what she say go on, bro?
Alright, let me tell you what she tell me say go on. She said she there about her business and mind her own business, you know. Your woman now call her, say she broke down, her car broke down way a Westland.
Yeah.
And she take up her tool them and take taxi go way a Westland where she neighbor shouldn't do.
Yeah.
Because she's stationary. You see me? And she go way a Westland, fix up the car for the girl, and then the girl now want pay her. Time too hard for you discourage hard working people like so.
Yeah, man, yo, what you said, man? I tell you, say, this sound like some misunderstanding.
Bandit, go wake her up.
Hold on, man, you know say.
I want my sister money for you go give her right now.
So,
you see a rain me come here,
me understand.
I want her money for just go give her.
So, how much money, sir?
7,000.
7,000? No, we're sell, brother. Me start it out, man. Because you don't know, so I can't make you come to the place and feel like, say, violation of going because your place already run cool. You understand me? I say, Cause yo, I tell you some respect and manners, no brother, cause you protect your place, you know.
Alright.
You understand me? I say,
Yeah, man.
save my girl, don't worry yourself, man. Me go fit and you right now, brother. See?
Alright.
And then me will deal with she from a different level, because me can't make you feel uncomfortable, bro. Me
Yeah,
tell you
bro,
that.
more you talk to her though.
Me will deal
Me
with
no
that,
want
man.
she feel like say to you we deal with it.
Yeah.
She go call my sister now and bring her up on her work and just left her stranded like so. Me no respect that, me no love them style of bridging. I mean you go way back
I true,
and me
man.
respect you.
A real talk.
You see me?
Cause friend she call it from face, yo, face sister, you know. That girl, you know.
Oh
She
God, she
always
name
cool.
trouble people. She,
And that. And you
and
know,
so she no, that's why your woman do it, you know.
that me
So
I
I
say,
look like she never cuss, but your woman all say, my sister say your woman all push badness to her, you know.
badness.
Jaw back up on her, you know.
Allah, you turn it to baseball.
Just go for your money still and
Yeah,
make
man.
me fix the situation.
Yeah, man, 2 minutes. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Ah.
man. My sister works hard,
Hey, Pinky, hey, you see your girl? You see your girl? You see your girl? You cost me 25,000 and now you can't cost me back 1x7 girl. Yo, you see your girl? Know yourself, man. Me tell you, me left out of the place, you know. And left for the bills and pie, you know, girl. That me I tell you, you know. Watch what I go on. Watch what I go on. Brother. I want 10 back in there.
Alright.
And 10 back. Respect our manners. I'm
Yeah,
sorry
man,
about that,
enough
brother.
respect.
I'm tell you, say, yo, because I don't want you feel like, say, no violation over that side, you know.
Yeah, man.
You understand me? I
Alright,
say, yeah, man. So respect our manners.
Yeah,
and
man, me get
everything
down,
good
me come
now.
and everything good.
Everything good now. So, sir.
Yeah, man, just talk to her still.
Yeah, man. I talk to her. I know yourself. See?
You know, my sister had at her.
No,
I
everything-
like come
every-
down upon certain vibes, you know.
Everything good, man. Everything good. I've been telling you
Alright,
already.
big up
You
yourself.
understand me? I say, yeah, man.
Yeah,
Respect
man.
our manners. Yes,
Sorry,
sir.
say I some of that for great.
Yeah, man.
but-
So, the place alright now.
yeah,
The place
man,
are cool.
Everything good.
Yeah, man. You go, man.
Alright.
You know about now, right?
Everything good, man. Yeah, go on.
Alright, everything. Respect me, boss.
Yeah,
See?
man.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
See. So, respect. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Look at this girl on him bun down my bum nice house. Hey, girl! You know, hard enough for the house, yeah?
Wagwan, bossy.
I pray.
Back in town.
I just passed through, man. But they have your liquor. Visit.
So I want make you reach back down here, so my father.
I just want to look at vibes with my sister, man. You see me?
Yeah, sister. You're your sister.
Yeah, man, you don't know my sister.
No, my brother.
Mechanic girl.
Oh, your sister that?
Yeah, man, I'm my sister, man.
But a good girl, you know, boy. Good girl around town, and so, my G, good girl.
That's
Good,
one
good
side
girl.
I can look my sister.
No, sir, I'm a friend. I'm a
Make
look
sure you
friend,
don't come
man.
and know say you don't want nobody. You know.
No matter their foolishness, you know.
No,
I'm a look
no,
friend, man.
nobody
I'm a
broke
look
my
friend.
sister heart in and all.
No, sir.
Just that I go deal with still. I want one of our friend must put her up on some work and I want to pay her and thing. I money me go collect and you see me? Yeah, man, because you know when I come down on them side and I go to Tarry too.
You collect your money already?
I mean if I collect it already.
Judge, God.
Yeah, man, I get all extras panic, you know I go. You know badness, man.
Long time, I know a thing na normal, my father.
Yeah, bro.
Long time, I know a thing na normal. Boom, bad star. So, where you say I go on now? Differently, what I go on?
I link bigger and then I go up. So I just a yelling up dog like come there in a place, isn't it? I go on a quick yell up and then to go back, isn't it?
Alright, my general. Watch out, man. That's much a crime. I deal with one crime myself, same way.
Right.
Alright, my G.
Alright, bro, that's enough.
No, so my feel for eat some ice cream. Oh, that.
I mean, man,
Oh, come, bro.
still up in?
Yeah.
Oh. See your money, you get extras money. Hey, but they have to take care of you, you know.
No, man.
You mean, you know, must know. Just go down there. I ain't man, give me still.
Oh.
Yeah, one bandit. Me see him, but
You not see her?
I don't get to see her.
I
You know, if me this year, if you know, she said me this year, I would probably wanted already. You know
I'm glad
that.
I don't see her now.
Yeah.
Glad.
My sister in a different late level still, you know. You know what? Me think you feel that take some down payment before you work, you know.
I feel say that I feel start
Yeah, man,
doing
cause people then say you're too nice and you're soft, then we take advantage, man.
that. True.
Yeah.
True word.
Yeah, you have to be careful of some of them friends. Yeah. Careful of some of them friends, sis, because guess what going on now? Some of them there just because of what you can do for them.
True.
You understand? That's why you see me roll on me roll. You know, bag of company. You see me? Yeah, man. That's why you see me roll so, man. I don't like when people act like they want to take advantage of you.
So, what you do? You go up back or you stay?
Yeah, me I go skip town. Me not stay over. I come with me too long and never
You just
change
come
the
down,
clothes.
you just come down here so we can deal with this situation.
Of course, then no emergency. I go on like anything with you, no emergency for me.
True, bro.
Yeah, man, I go look like me come look bro, man. You see me, cause you don't know
Thanks
anything,
again, you know, bro. Okay, if I never you, I don't know what more than they do right now. Cause I'm stressed out.
Right, man. You know, she say, I 10. You know, take out here and look upon him, man. I 10, you know. Come tell you, say, 7, I get a 10, man, give me. You see me? Cause you say, you see what I go on. You see me?
I'm happy still.
Yes, man, you can get some things, man, and you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, and get
You know,
also.
so a while ago, I said, I treat myself and buy myself an ice cream.
Me, man, you deserve more than that too, man. You see me? But for now, you want to take
I
it
feel
slow.
take it slow, yeah.
Yeah. Not real life, sis. You see me?
Mm-hmm.
Jody called me the other day too, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, man, like, you want to come spend some time and chilling, man, and something, you know.
When I come, you are me.
Don't are you?
I
You
can
just say
come.
like a family reunion, you want to plan something, you
I know
know.
some of know that though. Because, you know, some of my mom not on good terms because I work on me, I do.
No,
Some
sir.
of another one day.
But you don't know, I'm just one day, so like, I mean, we have
Well,
to...
if I one day and a day I feel have fun, I know say argument after the day.
The argument not did them, man. How you go on, so?
Oh, me go on, sir?
Sure.
Knowing your mother, talk truth. Knowing your mother.
We did that to keep it peace.
Alright, bro.
You know if you talk to her. Sure.
I think I say, man. But they are still.
Yeah, big and more go link still.
Alright, go and go do what you do.
Alright.
Make sure you go up before night, you know.
Yeah, man, I can manage myself.
Me
You
know,
man, me a big one and you tell me about go before night. I'm here, you thought sound like woman, you know. I said woman love tell me to come off a road now.
Lord Jesus, it's rough, bro. But anyway, big up yourself.
Cool, sis, come give me a hug, man. Man, not see you, man. Sure.
Alright.
Alright, take care of yourself.
Yeah, man, bro.
Alright.
Later.
Yeah, man.
Time boring though. Oh, so. Jaja God!
What's your ball be happen?
You look. Me can't even find the word. I say you look nice today. You don't look like a mechanic.
What happen?
There, man, alright.
Yeah, me good. I just say me I walk up on the road, go treat myself, me buy myself an ice cream.
You can't give me a 360 or so in him.
For what?
Cause I don't normally see anything something yeah. You look
Lady-ish.
active.
Yeah, right, Balby.
I feel alright, and if I see something like this, I feel most alright, I pass, alright, now I go on moon and back a while ago as I say. Believe me, I told you. Believe me, nobody to hear what I say to you, no, still, cause boy, I can't fight, so I don't want it.
Then who?
Nah.
You're going like say me have a man.
I can't know that. Remember, say me don't know that, I don't see it till when I see it, And if I don't call them, I can't see it, so. Boy, I give a 10 out of 10, right? Then I give me 360, watch me lock me, watch me turn me back. Give me 360 in my back turn then.
I don't never get 360. I want 360.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Na 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 na. Yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh. You say love and then you push it. You say you don't want I make it, but you're just too late. You say love, but you push it. You say you don't want I make it, that's a big mistake. But I know you come around under false pretense, trying to take my energy, trying to mash up my confidence. But I look to the hills from where it's coming my strength. So when you come with your evil plan, Almighty is my defense. Too late shall be the cry, fully protected by the Most High. I don't care who I feel resent. Come on the phone with your need to repentance. The things you do don't match the things you say. Cause I you say love, but still you push hate. You say I won't make it, but you're just too late. Remember say you say love, but still you pushing hate. You said I wouldn't make it, that's a big mistake. Yeah. We sidestep them trap, and we don't use them up. Yeah. Fully connected to the Most High, and that the signal not drop. I look to the east, from where it's coming my strength. So when you come with your evil plan, Almighty is my defense. Too late shall be the cry, fully protected by the Most High. I don't care who I feel resent. Come on the phone with your need to repentance. The things you do don't match the things you say. Cause I you say love, but still you push hate. You say I won't make it, but you're just too late. Remember say you say love, but still you pushing hate. You said I would make it, that's a big mistake. That's a big mistake. That's a big mistake. Oh, you feel say me not gonna make it when I'm covered with grace. You're just a little too late. Judge, I thank you for this victory.